Get ready to shine! Welcome to our video on Shimmers Glam Headband. Today, tutorial is all about creating a show-stopping Shimmers Glam Headband. In this video, all you need is your headband, your glue gun and your flower accessory of your choice, and your gold and green shimmers, lastly your scissors. Let's get started. Now apply some glue on the band, then attach the flower to it. Now make sure the flower sticks to the band. We will be attaching this crystal flower in the middle of the green flower to give it a new look. Apply some glue at the bottom of the crystal flower to fit in the middle of the green flower. Now press to secure it. Let's take this glue out of the way. Apply the glue on the band and attach the shimmers on the band. Now we're going in with our gold shimmers. First place it on the band one after the other. Be careful when taking the excess glue of the band because it can destroy your work. We will be placing some of the green shimmers at the top of the band. And below the gold shimmers too. scissors to press down on the shimmers to help stick properly. can use any shimmer color of your choice, colors that speaks to you to design your headband. We're going to repeat the same process step by step to design the band. If you like this video, be sure to check out our other tutorials and subscribe for more. You can see we are almost done with designing the headband. If you try out this tutorial, be sure to tag me in your posts so I can see your creations. This sparkling Shimmers Strip Glam will leave you feeling fabulous and elegant. Talk Think of standing out of the crowd with a headband design of your own. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more tutorials and fun content. We'll see you in the next video.